Today, I'm going to share with you some fun but easy school lunch ideas that are on the healthier side and that don't take a lot of time to make. I'm Jennifer with the Family Fudge, and welcome to Bunches of Lunches. Now, I share a lot of fun lunch ideas on this channel, so yes, I'm more than a little bit lunch obsessed. Comment down below if you love fun lunches too. Now, I am super excited to share with you our lunches from this week because not only did my kids go back to school after winter break, but I'm also using new lunch boxes. Now, if you haven't seen my school lunch supply room tour, I'll go ahead and link that video down below for you guys to check it out. In that video, you'll see that I have quite the collection of lunch boxes, and these easy lunch boxes are definitely some of my favorites. They're super affordable, they come in packs of 4, and they come in 2 different styles, one with 3 sections and one with 5 sections. And you guys, hashtag not sponsored, but in this video, I'm going to be gifting 2 of you your very own set of these easy lunch boxes. That way, you can start your own lunch supply collection or add to the one you've already started. To enter, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel and then comment down below which lunch style you prefer, the 3 section or the 5 section. It's that easy. And now on to the shout out winner from yesterday's video. Yesterday's video was all about our Sunday routine, and the shout out goes to Danielle. Now, if you'd like a shout out in tomorrow's video, comment down below using the hashtag FudgyFam. And now with all that being said, let's get on to the lunches. I'm kicking things off with a meat-free lunch, and normally I like to make a meatless Monday lunch, but since the kids were off school yesterday, I'm making a meatless lunch today instead. Since it's their first day back at school, I want to make them something really fun and a little bit silly. Instead of using regular bread in these lunches, I'm going to whip up some protein-packed waffles. And to make these lunches quick and easy, I'm not making these completely from scratch. I'm just using 1 waffle per lunchbox because the plan is to make some open-faced sandwiches. Starting with my 2 older kids, to their waffles I'm adding some strawberry cream cheese, plenty of cream cheese. And then once I have a good layer on here, I'm going to slice up some strawberries, and then the fun begins. How cute are these, you guys? I'm not sure if my son Jackson will appreciate it, but I'm hoping that he does. Now, to go along with these open-faced Sammies, I'm adding a handful of green grapes, followed by some baby carrots that have seen better days. These are starting to look a bit old and dried out, so I'm hoping the kids won't notice. To go along with these carrots, I am going to add some tiny containers of ranch. And then for my younger 2 kiddos, I'm switching things up, and to their protein waffles, I'm adding a layer of peanut butter instead. These are also going to get some strawberry slices and some blueberries, and then comes the slivered almonds. Now I'm finishing off their lunches in the same way. To go along with this, I'm also giving all the kids some of these cheddar rice cakes. For the bigger kids, I'm using regular containers, and for the little kids, I'm using the teddy bears. Now for my older 2 kids, I do want to add a little bit more. So for them, they're also getting these Made Good granola ball bags. And then for everyone's drinks, we're just doing water, and we're doing water for this whole week. Okay guys, so for today's lunch, I'm going with a Taco Tuesday theme, but this time we're having it on a Wednesday. For each of the kids, I'm putting together a DIY taco kit. Now this is one of our favorite hot school lunches to make because it's so easy and all the kids love it. Now we already have some cooked ground turkey, but to this I'm also going to be adding some black beans and some extra taco seasoning. Now while this mixture is still piping hot, I want to go ahead and add it to the kids' thermoses so it can stay nice and hot until lunchtime. To go along with this, I also picked up a bag of soft flour tortillas. I really like the street taco size because they fit so well into lunch boxes. For my older kids, I'm giving them 2 tortillas so that they can make 2 tacos. And for my younger kids, I'm just adding 1 because I think that's going to be plenty. Next, I'm going to add in some of our favorite toppings, starting with the cheese. I'm just going to sprinkle that in here. And then next, I'm also adding some lettuce. I'll go ahead and shred that up and get it in the lunchbox. And then finally, I'm adding some guacamole on the side. Next, I'm adding some cherry tomatoes, but I'm only going to be adding these into my boys' lunch boxes. And for my girls who don't like tomatoes, I'm going to be adding some green grapes instead. Hey guys, so for today's lunch, I'm doing a breakfast for lunch theme. Packing breakfast foods for lunches is another one of our favorite things to do, and it's really easy as well. This time, I'm kind of going for a yogurt parfait style box. Now starting off, all 4 of these lunches are going to be pretty much the same. They're all getting some of this really good vanilla, non-fat Greek yogurt. I'll go ahead and spread that out. And then on top of the yogurt, we're going to give this granola a try. I found this at Target, and it's a mixed berry granola with no added sugar. So hopefully the kids will like it. Now, keeping with the breakfast theme, I did cook up some hard-boiled eggs last night, and I got them into these cute little molds. So I have a heart shape and a star shape. Now I'm only going to be putting these eggs into Mackenzie's lunchbox and into Jackson's lunchbox with just a sprinkling of salt as well. For Lily and Griffin's lunch, instead of a hard-boiled egg, I'm adding in a baby bell cheese since I think they'll prefer this instead of an egg. And then to make these cute, I just used a veggie cutter to stamp out the center of the wax. Next, all of the lunch boxes are getting a combo of strawberries and blueberries. The kids can add these to their yogurt and granola, or they can just eat them separately. And then for the veggies, I've cut up some cucumbers and some carrots. Now at this point, I'm just going to finish off these lunch boxes with some crackers, and pretty much because I can't think of what else to put in here. I have these crackers left over from Christmas and I really need to use them, so they're going in. Now, if you're looking for a nut-free lunch idea that requires no cooking and that can be made in less than 5 minutes, then today's lunch is for you. For today's lunch, I'm starting with some string cheese and some smoked turkey, and I'm simply going to wrap a slice of turkey around each cheese stick, and I'm securing it with some food picks as well. To go along with this, the kids are also getting some fresh strawberries and some mini banana muffins. These are so cute and definitely a fun treat for Friday. And yes, I did buy these already made, and that's what makes this lunch so quick and easy. You could definitely make these from scratch if you have the time. Next, I'm adding in some celery with ranch on the side. And then to these boxes, I'm also adding some orange smiles. Now to make these, I simply cut my navel orange into rings, and I don't even have to peel the orange, you guys. After I have the rings, I just slice those in half and then get them into the lunch boxes. Now, all of my kids love these, but especially Lily. They're her favorite. Now, as you can see, these boxes are pretty much the same, except I did go ahead and add more of the meat and the cheese for the older kids. And then to go along with this, I'm also going to offer each of the kids their own bag of veggie straws. These are the ranch flavored ones, so I'm guessing they're all going to want one. Now, I would love to know in the comments down below which one of these lunches was your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below to enter the lunchbox giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video, which is subscriber lunches.